welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into all things cozy and charming with Cottage winter decor. If you're ready to make your space warm, inviting, and perfect for the season, stick around as we explore some simple yet beautiful decor ideas to bring that snug, winter cottage vibe into your home. Lighting is key to achieving that cozy cottage feel. Add warm, ambient lights with candles, lanterns, or soft fairy lights. This gentle lighting sets the mood, creating a snug atmosphere perfect for winter evenings. Winter is all about warmth and comfort, so layer in cozy blankets and throws. A chunky knit blanket or a plaid wool throw adds texture and warmth, inviting you to curl up and relax. Opt for soft, natural fabrics like wool and cotton for that authentic cottage feel. Bring a touch of nature indoors with winter greenery like pine branches, eucalyptus, or holly. These simple touches bring life to your space, adding a fresh element that reminds us of the beauty of winter outdoors. Vintage decor pieces, like old books or wooden trays, add a touch of timeless charm to your cottage look. These items bring character and warmth, making the space feel lived in and inviting. Natural wood is essential in cottage decor. Whether it's a wooden coffee table, shelves, or picture frames, these natural textures add warmth and an organic feel to the space, grounding your decor in a cozy, rustic vibe. hints of winter color to your decor palette. Soft reds, greens, and creamy whites create a classic winter look. These colors complement the natural wood tones and bring a touch of seasonal cheer to your home. Winter-themed accessories like a mini sled, snowshoes, or even a pair of vintage winter boots add a playful and seasonal touch to your decor. Display them by the door or near the fireplace to complete the winter cottage look. A warm, soft rug is essential for cozy cottage decor. Place a plush, neutral-tone rug near your seating area to keep your feet warm and to add an extra layer of comfort. This completes the snug, homey feel that defines cottage style. And there you have it, simple yet stunning cottage winter decor ideas to make your home feel like a cozy retreat. Which idea would you love to try? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more seasonal decor inspiration. Stay warm and enjoy your beautifully transformed space.